Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to install PostgreSQL and we will also learn to import CSV file into the database table. So stay till the end, a lot to learn today. So let's go to the browser and search for download PostgreSQL. Open the first link. Select the computer's operating system, which is Windows for me. Click on download the installer link. Click on the download icon against latest version of PostgreSQL and your download will begin. The installer file is downloaded. Click on the file to open it. Select yes if system asks you for confirmation. Setup wizard opens. Click on next. We don't wish to use stack builder at this point of time, so deselect it and click on next. Enter the password that you can remember. Keep on clicking next until installation begins. Wait until installation completes. Click on finish. In your Windows search, type pgAdmin. Open the interface application. Expand server. Enter the password which you entered before. Now you have logged in and you can see a Postgre data already created, but we wish to create our own database, right? So right click on the database, then create database, enter the name. You can now see our database created. Select inventory database and click on the query tool. Query page opens where you can query for database. Now we wish to import an inventory dataset. For that we have to create a table within database. So we have already written a query to create a table with all the column names and their data types. We will copy it and enter in the query tool and run the script. Query got executed successfully. Let's confirm that in the schema. But first, refresh the database, right click and click on refresh. Now we can see inventory table created. Let's import the CSV file. Since our dataset has header row, so we will select it. Click on OK. Process completed. Verify the columns created. Verify the data by running a query. Process completed. So let's now verify the columns which are being created. As you can see, our data is loaded successfully. This is all about today's session. Stay tuned to learn more about data analytics.